My name is John Worland. My son Stephen Worland works with me. We're a team of partners. Our company is Anasazi Builders, and we build custom homes. I was all fingers crossed hoping that this was going to be of value. And by the end of the day, it was very much, it was what we were looking for. Probably the markup and margins, that was the first eye-opener. And then things that we weren't charging for, things that weren't in my line items on the bid. So not just profit leaks, but profit not there, not even charges not there. It's everything that you need, and it really is, to find where your profit leaks are, to find where your cash flow is, to find how much your labor burden should be. There's just so many things. That's so simple, but yet the difference of revenue-based, we got to produce so many jobs, versus margin-based, where we can take fewer jobs with a better margin and actually make more on our end net profit. And that was so refreshing to see, because really you just think, I got to tack on 5 more jobs to get this much more, and I'm gonna have to, all you could see is tacking on more responsibility and more work, rather than being able to step away and have some quality time with the family. And like Stephen said, Dad, I can't keep working 60, 70 hours a week. But just that simple formula and changing those margins, and how that reduced the job load but yet increased the end profit was wonderful.